In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can install the Whitestone dome camera protector onto your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now to begin with, we're going to give the camera lens a clean. So I'm going to use this alcohol wipe that comes with the box. So give it a good clean. Then using one of these microfiber cloth, and we're just gonna give it clean, make sure there are no fingerprints on the camera lens. Okay, after that we're going to use the dust removal and remove dust on the camera. So I'm just gonna put it there for now. Now with this one here, you need to remove the back stickers. So there is a back film cover, so you peel it out like this and you remove it. So you just remove it like that. Then I'm going to remove the dust sticker. After, we're going to place this tray on top of the camera lens. So here we are, we're going to place it directly onto the camera lens. Push it all the way down. Make sure there are no bubbles. If there are bubbles, then it's no good. So you can see here, there is a little bit of bubbles there. So make sure it is no bubbles left. We don't want any bubbles on that. So push it down and then we peel it back up. Alright, so now it is fully installed on your camera lens. Okay, it's finished. It looks so good that I can't even tell if there is a camera lens protector right there at all. Now you can look at how smooth it is. So if I take a pictures now, so let's test it out. I'm going to open up my camera and take a photo of this. And you can see the picture, the quality of the pictures is very good. It allows me to take a very clear, vivid picture, very high quality with clarity. There's no issues there. Allow me to capture all the light, taking very sharp images with this lens cover. So here it is, what the actual lens cover looks like. When I peel out the back, you can see I can peel it out. There is a cover right there. So that cover plays directly onto the camera lens. Once that has been removed, then you can see now I have a blank space right here. So that black parts right there get applied onto the lens, and then finally we're left with a blank spot in here. And that is how you can install your dome, or Whitestone dome camera protector to protect your camera lens so it doesn't get damaged or scratches. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.